This video explains how to check the current time in another time zone. Hold down the mode button for about 2 seconds to return to timekeeping mode. In timekeeping mode, press the mode button 2 times to select world time mode. Currently selected city code and city name scroll once across the display. Press the Start button to scroll through the available city codes. Hold down the Adjust button for about 3 seconds to enable the daylight saving time. Same way, hold down the Adjust button to turn off the daylight saving time. Hold down the Reset button for about 3 seconds to swap the home city and world time city. Hold down the mode button for about 2 seconds to return to timekeeping mode.